Right.
Bring your ballet shoes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got to go buy them first.
It is a little cold this morning in some locations. Gadsden's at 35. We are at 49 here in the Birmingham Metro, but look at the stunning sunrise scene over the Coosa River. It's quiet and so calm. A really pretty start to your Sunday. It's going to be a nice day, just like yesterday. The main difference is we're going to be warmer during the afternoon. High temperatures reaching the upper 70s across central Alabama. And then you will also notice the breeze picking up. This morning, like I said, it's fairly calm, but our winds gusting out of the south today, closer to 30 miles per hour through this afternoon. Don't think we'll see a wind advisory, but you will notice the breeze picking up. Plenty of sunshine through the afternoon. By this evening, clouds will begin to increase from the west, but you can see through 8 p.m. I think that we are dry, at least here in Birmingham and mainly across I-20. Heavy storms return tonight. They'll move into northwest Alabama around sunset, but may take a little time for them to drift south down the state. Behind the storms, it looks beautiful through the new week. We've got some gorgeous days ahead. Definitely spring has arrived and it's going to be nice. But with that comes allergy season. I know that you've noticed the pollen this week. That's only going to amplify as we head into April, and especially the warm, dry days. That doesn't help all that much either with the plants beginning to bloom. As far as the storms tonight, very limited severe risk. We don't want you to be up all night worried. There's a marginal risk over Alabama and then a slight level 2 out of 5 risk over Mississippi and part of Tennessee. Again, not expecting any major severe weather. The atmosphere will be unstable enough that a couple of storms could produce some gusty winds, possibly some hail, but the main threat is just going to be heavy rain and frequent lightning. So there could be some noisy thunderstorms tonight. May wake you up if you're a light sleeper, but most of this is just going to be traditional heavy thunderstorms overnight. Let's look at the futurecast. I think they move in close to sunset over northwest Alabama as the cold front moves this way, and they will be heavy for a time. So getting places like Winfield, Scottsville, Moulton, Double Springs, Lamar County, Fayette, you're going to see those storms first. And then as we go through tonight, 10 p.m. closer to midnight, they begin to drift further south, and they're scattered, heavy at times. You'll see that they begin to weaken as we head into the morning hours. We don't have all that much instability, so it turns into mainly just some light to moderate showers. Any heavy thunderstorms, I think, are south of the Birmingham Metro by early tomorrow morning. 6 a.m., here comes commute time. There will be some damp spots, and there could even be some lingering patchy rain, but that's going to be drifting to the south pretty quickly, so I don't think we have to worry about a very messy morning commute tomorrow. After the storms move out, Monday ends up being a nice day, high temperatures near 70 degrees. And then I think the rest of the 7-day forecast speaks for itself. It's going to be so nice next week. Cool mornings, warm afternoons, very warm afternoons. Temperatures will be trending above average, close to 80 degrees late in the week. I think some locations will hit the 80-degree mark, so very warm.